Hello everyone. This video discussion is about emergency in the Indian Constitution and overview. We are going to discuss the provisions of Indian Constitution and types of emergencies in Indian Constitution. There are three types of emergencies: national emergency, state emergency, which is also known as President's Rule, financial emergency. To start the discussion with, I am going to explain you what is national emergency, that is given under Article 352 of the Constitution of India. So, what are the conditions? The conditions are there should be war, external aggression, and armed rebellion to impose national emergency. It can only be proclaimed on the written advice of Council of Ministers and approval of special majority within 1 month. It can be proclaimed by only President. So, what kind of role Parliament plays while national emergency is in force? The Parliament can make laws and implement the same while emergency is in force. What happens with your fundamental rights that are enshrined in the Indian Constitution? Article 19 and other FRs automatically get suspended, okay, except Article 20 and 20, where Article 19 is all about freedom of speech, movement, etc. They all get suspended. However, Article 20 means that it protects your conviction against any kind of offense while the national emergency is in force, and 21 is right to life and liberty. Now moving on to the second type of emergency, state emergency, which is given under Article 356 of Indian Constitution. It is also known as President's Rule. So, what is the condition for attracting President's Rule? There are two conditions to attract President's Rule. One is state administration collapses. Second is state cannot function as per the provisions of Constitution. So, what can President do while this happens? He can declare proclamation of failure of constitutional machinery in state for 2 months, and he can extend this up to 6 months. To extend beyond that period, it can only be extended for 1 year, and this extension has two kind of important elements that has to be followed for demanding extension. To extend for 1 year, there should be national emergency in operation. If national emergency is not in operation, extension of 1 year cannot be given. However, in the case of Jammu and Kashmir, that is given under the Article 370, that it can be extended for that much of time. Second is that Election Commission of India has to say that election commission there can be no election conducted in following years, following time. That is why the extension is needed. Now, what else President can do while state emergency? The President can declare executive powers of the state rest with him and dissolve or suspend the state legislature entirely. If he suspends the state legislature, the Parliament can exercise its legislative powers. This actually explains the entire procedure that is followed in Jammu and Kashmir when the legislature is not in the function. Now, moving on to the last type of emergency, that is financial emergency. Financial emergency is given under Article 360. Okay. When this can be imposed The condition of imposing financial emergency is that in a situation where the financial stability or credit of India or any part of the territory thereof is threatened. For how much time it can be imposed? It can be imposed for 2 months. It can be imposed for 2 months ordinarily unless approved by both houses of parliament. If Lok Sabha is dissolved in this period, similar clause that of national emergency will be applied on it. So, what can our president do while financial emergency is in India? So, our president can issue directions to follow and suspend distribution of financial resources. He can issue directions to follow canons of finances. He can also direct the state to cut the salaries of its employees. He can direct the governors to reserve all financial and money bills for his consideration. So, this is all about the emergency. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe the channel. Do follow us on the Instagram and Facebook.